I love how hardworking and determined I am. If I set my sights to something, I'm gonna get it. Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm 23 and I'm from the Bay Area. I am the social media manager at Peace Out Skincare. So my personal journey living with acne has been very up and down. I've had acne since I was in middle school, so for me it's always been trying to figure out what product to use. There's so many products out there, it's really hard to kind of figure out what's right for me. So my journey has been a lot of research and figuring out what's right for me and my skin. Acne has definitely affected my self-esteem and confidence, especially a lot when I was younger. I think now that I'm a little bit older, I'm starting to figure out that acne doesn't define me. Even though I may have acne, that doesn't mean that I'm not as pretty or not as confident or not as smart as another person. So it's really just learning how to live with it and how to embrace it a little bit. I always hear people say, well, wash your face more. She doesn't wash her face, and just things like that. And it's like, I'm still being clean. You could be hygienic and still have acne, you know. I think it has negatively affected how I perceive myself with acne, just from seeing all these influencers with this beautiful face, and there will be these close-up images where it looks real, you know, it looks like they're poreless, but I think just figuring out and reminding myself that not everything on Instagram is real has really helped me figuring out that I don't have to look picture perfect all the time. I would definitely say to take it seriously. Do the research while I'm younger and figure out what works for me, what products are right, because if I really focused on it then, maybe it would have cleared up by now. To me, being an acne champ means that I'm strong and I'm overcoming this fear of living with acne, that I am me.